So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe to our channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. Also make your comments, I would love to watch out for it. And if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, I will put the link to our Telegram channel. Make sure you follow us on Telegram by the way, so you'll be able to get some of our information and you'll be able to communicate with us better. And if you're interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If in case you are interested, then you can join us. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So just go to the comment section, you see the link to our Patreon channel, click on it, subscribe with us, and you'll get to trade with us free for good 7 days. So basically, with these 7 days, you can trade with us for free. So you can give it a try. The link will be in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting today on GBPUSD. Right now, with this movement, you can see that at first GBPUSD has been giving us this bullish move. Then all of a sudden, this is started dropping. This, as you can see here, is just a correction, or will I call it a pullback, whatever you would want to call it, or whatever. Right now, we are now expecting a bullish move. So we will be expecting more uptrend move on GBPUSD. Now, let's see this thing. I want you guys to pay attention to this, right? At first, if you watch my analysis last week, and also the week that and this week that I predicted, you can see that by this time last week, GBP US literally came to the same level, and I predicted a fall, which it actually did. Same thing with on Monday, we predicted a drop that GBP US will actually do make, which it actually did. Right now, GBP is now on a bullish move. So with what I'm saying right now, I'll be expecting a minor correction, probably to this 10 period simple moving average, or a minor correction. Maybe that correction will come to this our 10 period simple moving average, or to this level. Then the next movement we'll be expecting is an uptrend move. So basically, it is now time for the USD index to start falling. So if the USD index is falling, then every other piece against our USD needs to start giving us a bullish move. Now take a look at this DXY index, or USD index. This is the DXY. This is the move that I am speculating on DXY. First of all, a correction, then a continuous movement downward. Also notice that most of this prediction that I am telling you guys now, most of it will actually play out next week. We all know that today, last day of the week, Friday, so there might not be much movement. And in case there's a much movement, fine. But many of these movements will be predicting will actually play out next week. Due to the fact that we will be expecting federal fund rate to actually still remain the same. It is currently at 5 point something, right? 5.00, right? Or is it 5.25? I can't really recall. So if in case federal fund rate still remain the same, then DXY will definitely fall. If DXY fall, that will give way for more bullish move on GBPUSD, thereby GBPUSD actually breaking this low. So that is what I'm saying. More of this bullish move on GBP to USD will play out next week. But right now, we'll be expecting a minor correction, just more correction. Then we can now continue to go long on GBPUSD. So that is what I have. If in case you are interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. If you are interested, then the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. So click on it and follow us and trade with us free for good 7 days.